Yeah, welcome to my channel. This is how I make salted and toasted flax seeds. So let's just dive in. Okay, so get a quantity of it, maybe a cup or two, or as much quantity as you desire, into a bowl. Then get a smaller bowl and get a very high quality salt. I use Himalayan pink salt. Just half a teaspoon or less, depending on the quantity of the flaxseed you have in the bowl. But at this point, if you don't want it salted, you don't need to add the salt. Just skip the salt and go ahead. So add the salt into a smaller bowl and add some water. Get a spoon to stir it very well so that you can dissolve the salt completely in the water. So when the salt is completely dissolved, we go to the next step. Just pour it into the bowl containing the flaxseed and stir properly until all the flaxseeds are coated with the salt solution. So we move to the fire, where we have to heat the pot or whatever you're using, maybe fry pan, whatever you want to use. You have to heat it for some time so that we can later reduce the heat to medium heat and toast flax seeds. So the frying pan I'm using is hot now, and I've reduced the heat to medium. Then pour the flaxseed into it. Then you begin to stir. You can do this for like 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Please don't do it on high heat because you don't want to have burnt flaxseed. So after doing this for like 3-4 minutes, it should be okay. Well, you can do it maybe 5 minutes, depending on how you want it to taste. For me, it's okay after like 4 minutes. So I'm done. I've turned off the heat. I'm just stirring so that I can cool down a bit. Okay, so I've turned it into a flat plate to allow it to cool down completely. And that's it. You have your toasted and salted flaxseed. Delicious. Kindly leave a like, comment and subscribe.